everyone. So in today's video we are going to be discussing how to create a responsive cart page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. So here we go. Let's click on our cart button first, and as you can see we are here in our cart page, and there is nothing in our cart page at the moment. So we have a basic header, we have a footer which we've used from before, we have a search bar, and we have an icon here in green color, so that means we have used text success, and we have a heading here, and we have a hyperlink which can take us back to our home page. So yeah, that is that. And now I'm going to add a product to our cart to see if it's responsive or not. So let me add this product to our cart. So now once I've added this product, it's going to say product added successfully. So I'm going to click on OK and go check on our cart again. And as you can see, now in our cart page is no longer empty. We don't have that image of the trolley and the start shopping button. So that is that. And here in our cart page we have the seller's name, and we have in a card separately we have mentioned, so we have the details of our product. So these are all taken directly from our database using database queries, which is a part of the programming process, which I'm going to mention later in our next video. And we can adjust the quantity here, and here we have our delivery fee, and then we have our product. So then once we add the two, delivery fee and our product fee, we have on our left. On our right we have a total value, the items here taken, and the shipping is going to come here, and we have a checkout button. So that is that on how to design a responsive cart page. So now let's move on to the code and discuss how we created this cart page. So this is our code, and as you can see we are in a home.php page, and as you can see in the list of products which we had taken from our database, in that we had a add to cart button which appeared in red color. So to that cart there's a JavaScript process link. On click add to cart, so as soon as we clicked it, we have a JavaScript function started, and it will take a product ID from there. And let's move on to JavaScript. So here we have a add to cart ID. So here what is done is that we have our products taken to our page, to our cart page. So that is a different process which I'm going to be explaining later in the programming part of our cart page. So as you can see, this is the design of our cart page. We have a title in our cart page, then we have included our header, and down here we have included our footer right here, and that is that. And moving on, we have a breadcrumb. So what we saw on the left side of our page was our breadcrumb, so it can take us back to our home. Or we had the cart item, so there is no href for that because we are already in our cart page. And moving down, we saw that we have a label text saying cart. And moving down, we had a search button, we had a search input, and we had some database search queries to select all from cart where the user email is equal to email. And if there were no products in our cart page, we had a class saying empty cart, which is here in our style.css, 400 pixels, background image is the empty cart SVG, background position center, background size content, and no repeat. So how we enter our cart page is via our header. So in our header we have our cart icon. So to that we have a on click function, window.location cart.php. so if we are taken to this page, and this is our basic cart. So if there was more than so other than for this, if there were items saying it was added to our cart, it will appear like this. So we have all our values taken from our database, and it will appear, seller's name will appear, so it will basically appear within a card, a bootstrap card. And moving down, we have our card title, our color, and all those data appearing. We have a condition, price, and we are capable of removing or buying an item right now. So those are the two buttons which we saw, and there is a calculation process here going down. So that's on the right side of our screen. We saw the summary. So we have the number of items, then the total price, the shipping costs, etc. So that is that. And I think we made a small error here. So here we can change the, we can take the product from our product, we can take the delivery fee, and let's just add it here. So copy this, and then we are able to add the delivery in Colombo fee. So that is that, and that is it. So we are going to have all those displayed on our screen, and we can remove our product again, so that since we haven't added a remove process at the moment, we have to remove our product directly from the database, and once we go back to our cart will be empty as we saw before. So that is it for this video, and we will be discussing how to program this cart page in our next video. So thank you for watching.